Let's create Flanken ribs. Flanken ribs. And I'm going to prepare very delicious meal. It's going to be fast and easy. And the first thing I have here is my mix for my marinade. In essence, I have about half a cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, and a few drops of sesame oil. And I'm going to mix them. I have some brown sugar, tablespoon. I'm going to mix this well together. And also, by the way, added optionally a few drops of lemon juice. Here I have my some sort of like adobo sazon. We call it sazon. What I have here is about a teaspoon of turmeric, teaspoon of small paprika, teaspoon of half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of black pepper, salt to taste, and I add about half a teaspoon of crushed red peppers, which is optional, okay? And I'm mixing everything together. And let's not forget a teaspoon of garlic powder. No garlic salt, but garlic powder. Mix everything well together. First thing, the marinade. I like to add the marinade first in this case because if I put this first and then add the vinaigrette, the marinade can wipe it out, and I don't want that. Now I'm going to add this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to mix them together. And you can do this overnight, you can do it, whenever. Half an hour before, an hour, whenever, but you want this baby to marinate. Look at this baby. Green onions. And I'm going to use the onion side and the green side too, okay? Some oil. Medium high. Preheating. Add you red bell peppers. Some red bell peppers. And I'm going to add some of my onions. Going to stir fry this a little bit. Couple minutes later, let me add the ribs and the marinade. Oh, smells delicious. Let's get this baby rolling, okay? You can add a little bit more soy sauce, a few drops more. Give it some darkness, right? Some darkness. And I like this with some sweet plantains and some basmati rice. And you can use any type of rice.